Allahumma salli wa sallim ala Nabiina Muhammad alayhi salam. Salatan tadumu wa tughda ilayhi mamar al-layali wa tula dawam. Dawam ya Rasulullah. We are thanking Allah Almighty for His giving us the opportunity to be able to pray Jummah, because this is His grant for us. There is so many people, they cannot have this one. Because Jummah, it is having a big door. Jummah door, it is closed. Only it's open in Jummah time and getting the manifestation on the people that they are praying. And then when finished, it's a close again and then waiting for the second Jummah. This is very important to get this golden opportunity. This is very golden opportunity that Allah Almighty, He granted to His ummah. Jummah is for all. Jummah, it is a great day. Jummah, it is the day that Allah Almighty, He makes Sayyidina Adam alayhi salam to come to dunya. Jummah, it is the day that Tufan starts. Jummah, it is the day that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, this Monday. Sayyidina Isa alayhi salam to go for sky. Jummah, it is having a lot of occasion that in it. And being given to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that all the Anbiya they ask, and Sayyidina Musa he say, can I have the Saturday after him, and being granted. And Sayyidina Isa, he say, Ya Rabbi, what shall I have? I say, you can have Sunday. So that's why Jummah is the holy day that Allah Almighty, He grant for His ummah, for all His ibadullah, that's the servant of Allah. He didn't say, you are Christian, you are Buddhist, you are whatever you are, doesn't matter. We are all of us the servant of Allah Almighty. May Allah forgive us and make us happy here and hereafter. ومن الله التوفيق بحرمة الحبيب بحرمة الفاتحة.